Previously on Greenwashed, we exposed misleading claims, showcased SuperSpectral's real ability to detect ignitable fluids and body fluids, and proved its unmatched long-range precision. Tests our rivals avoided. Now, our investigation continues. Does a sophisticated device like SuperSpectral really deliver such a bad performance in capturing inked fingerprints? If you ever need to digitize an image of an inked fingerprint, worrying is the last thing you need to do with the SuperSpectral system at your disposal. Even during live imaging, SuperSpectral offers far superior image quality compared to what our so-called competitor can achieve. When it comes to focusing on details, the SuperSpectral provides exceptionally sharp and clear visuals. The competitor attempted to capture the fingerprint using spotlights directly above it. We kindly recommend capturing the fingerprint in at least monochrome camera next time to ensure compatibility with the AFIS system for accurate analysis. And if you're looking for a device compatible with the AFIS system, SuperSpectral is exactly what you need. With future-proof high DPI rates, you can instantly analyze fingerprint at the crime scene with minutiae calculation in local database. 66 minutiae, not bad at all, especially when much less is sufficient for identification. Speaking of identification, with SuperSpectral it's just one click away. For the details you can click on info cards right here. On a multicolored surface, they claimed that our device performed significantly worse than theirs in the examination of Semen. Let's see if that's really the case. In SuperSpectral system, two specialized wavelengths of blue light are utilized, one for body fluids, 440 to 455 nanometers, and another for fingerprints, 450 to 465 nanometers, with peak values kept confidential to prevent imitation. Unlike our competitor, who used an incorrect wavelength to obscure our Semen sample in their claims, we placed a smaller sample on a multicolored fabric, proving our system's precision in real-world forensic scenarios. Let's make things a bit more interesting. Using the remote control feature, we'll wirelessly project the device's screen onto a 75-inch TV. To further showcase the device's remote scanning capability, we'll place it at 150 centimeters. Even from 1.5 meters away, its scanning capability and zoom capacity speak for themselves. Using such a large sample from such a long distance must mean something significant. SuperSpectral has the ability to see the unseen, even if it's hidden in the folds of a crumpled fabric. Coming up in the next episode, we'll address the latent fingermark section of the document. Stay connected with us on social media and visit our website for more updates and information.